Hi everybody, I'm super excited to show you this 5-minute farmhouse DIY. You're going to love it. So our cute little A-size transfer here says above all things love. So it's very cute, and I have got a wooden block that was painted white, and then I sanded it down so that it's very distressed, very farmhousey. I am just gonna stick the silk screen transfer to the block and make sure it's smoothed down. And I'm using a simple black velvet chalk paste. Scoop some up with my squeegee, and I'm just gonna spread it across all the silkscreen areas on this transfer. And when I'm done, I'm just smoothing it off and removing the excess, putting it back in the container, and then I will peel and reveal. Look how awesome. All right, now we need to embellish. That transfer is going to get washed over there with some water because it's reusable, of course. And now I'm going to dry. You can let this air dry if you're doing it at home. It will be about 5 to 8 minutes. And, you're just going to set it air dry. This is a quick dry tool, and the quick dry tool is going to make quick work of that. Now, I've cut a few different pieces of ribbon that's going to look so adorable. I'm going to trim and dovetail the edge of the first one. I'm going to do the same thing with our second strip. That second strip is going to get folded and quartered, and I'm going to dovetail that end as well, just making sure it's just a little bit smaller than the other one. Perfect. And then I have a cute little fabric flower that's going to go on the detail on the top of that part. And I grabbed a quick cable tie, so I'm going to use that to secure the ribbons together in the center. Just wind it around, hook it through, and make it tight. Once I have it as tight as I can, I will trim off that little tail hanging over the edge. And don't worry, you're not going to see the cable tie with my finished product. We're going to trim that off, and I'm going to use some hot glue, and I'm going to attach it to the top of the wooden cutout, the little rectangle wooden block. All right, so we've got our glue on, pressing that down, and then I'm going to take that cute little dark gray burlap flower, and I'm going to add some more hot glue to it. And so I'm just going to press it down right there, and voila. Thank you so much for watching. For more information, head over to CreativeSarah.com. Thanks for watching.